Okay, booty band, hip circle, fabric resistance band, call it what you want, but these bad boys are excellent for building strength, especially for beginners, and for your intermediate into advanced folks, very good for the warm-up phase. Today I'm going to show you some exercises and give you a little bit of education on this, okay? Now, when choosing the right band for Wolfburgh, it was really important to me that it had a high level of resistance. I've tried these bands in the past and some of them just really don't do that much. So this is why it's called the firm fabric resistance band. It really does provide some excellent resistance for your home workouts, okay? Okay, so position one is just above the ankles. In there. Position two, above the knees. There. And position three, the arms, shoulders. You can also use the band for these sort of workouts as well, okay? I'll quickly show you three beginner basic entry level moves with the firm fabric resistance band, okay? Number one is a squat. Okay, there we go. Nice little workout for a beginner. 3 moves that anybody can do. If you're intermediate or advanced, then why not do these as your warm-up before your leg or your glute workout. Let's get things firing. As always, I am a coach. I'm here to help you. I will provide you with high performance equipment. I'll provide you with expert coaching. I guarantee that I can help you if you're able to delay gratification, develop some discipline and take action. All 3 of these components I'm going to help you with, along with providing you with a workout plan, nutrition plan or guidance depending on where you're at, and together we will get results. Okay, let's go.